Hey there, investors. Kramer here, ready to break down a battle for the ages, stocks versus crypto. Both offer a chance to grow your money, but the playing field is very different. Stocks, they're like the seasoned veterans, backed by companies and their performance. Cryptocurrency? Think of it as the new kid on the block, full of potential but also a bit unpredictable. Stocks have been around for centuries. They represent ownership in a company, a piece of the pie. When the company does well, its stock value generally goes up. On the flip side, cryptocurrencies are digital assets using blockchain technology to secure transactions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, they're all vying for a piece of the digital future. But hold your horses. Before diving headfirst into either market, you gotta understand the risks and rewards involved. Because trust me, both stocks and crypto can be as volatile as a bull in a china shop. Listen up, folks. Risk and reward go together like peanut butter and jelly. You can't have one without the other. Stocks, while generally considered less risky than crypto, still carry their fair share. Market crashes, economic downturns, even a company's bad decisions can impact stock prices. But with risk comes the potential for reward. Historically, stocks have offered decent returns over the long haul. Now crypto? That's a whole different ballgame. The risks are higher, regulation is still evolving, cybersecurity threats loom large, and the market is known for its wild swings. But hey, with great risk can come great reward. Just look at Bitcoin's meteoric rise. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about understanding your risk tolerance and choosing investments that align with your financial goals. Hold on tight, because volatility is the name of the game in both the stock market and the crypto sphere. Volatility refers to the price swings of an asset, how much and how quickly it moves up and down. Stocks can be volatile, especially in the short term. Economic news, political events, even a tweet from a certain someone can send shockwaves through the market. But crypto? Get ready for a wild ride. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile. Their prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. Factors like regulatory news, technological advancements, and even social media sentiment can trigger massive price swings. For some investors, volatility is a source of excitement, a chance to make quick profits. But for others, it's a recipe for sleepless nights. Alright, investors, let's talk long-term potential. Stocks have a proven track record. Over the past century, the S&P 500, a benchmark for the US stock market, has delivered an average annual return of around 10%. Not too shabby, right? Investing in stocks, especially through a diversified portfolio, can be a solid strategy for building wealth over time. But what about crypto? That's where things get interesting. Cryptocurrencies are still in their early stages. Some believe they have the potential to revolutionize finance and disrupt traditional systems. Others remain skeptical, viewing them as speculative assets with an uncertain future. Only time will tell which investments will stand the test of time. Section 5: Crypto's potential revolution or speculation. Let's get real for a second. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, but is it here to stay? Some experts believe it has the potential to revolutionize finance. Blockchain technology, the backbone of crypto, offers secure and transparent transactions, potentially cutting out intermediaries like banks. But others argue that crypto is purely speculative, driven by hype and fear of missing out. They point to the lack of regulation, the potential for fraud, and the environmental concerns surrounding some cryptocurrencies. The truth is, nobody knows for sure what the future holds for crypto. It's a high-risk, high-reward game. Section 6: Expert Opinions. Navigating the investment maze. Listen, I'm not the only one with an opinion on this. Experts from Wall Street to Silicon Valley are weighing in on the stocks versus crypto debate. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, has been a vocal critic of cryptocurrencies, calling them rat poison squared. He prefers to stick with what he knows best: value investing in established companies. On the other side of the ring, you have folks like Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, who's bullish on crypto's disruptive potential. She believes that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology will revolutionize various industries, from finance to healthcare. It's important to remember that even the experts don't have all the answers. Section 7: Case Studies, Tales of Triumph and Caution. Don't just take my word for it, let's look at some real-world examples. Remember the Bitcoin boom of 2017? Countless stories emerged of early adopters who struck it rich, becoming overnight millionaires. But just as quickly as Bitcoin's price soared, it came crashing down, leaving many investors with heavy losses. On the stock market side, we've seen companies like Amazon and Apple deliver incredible returns for their long-term investors. But we've also witnessed the dot-com bubble burst in the early 2000s, reminding us that even the seemingly hottest tech stocks can come crashing down. Section 8. Future Predictions, Gazing into the Investment Crystal Ball. So, what does the future hold for stocks and crypto? While I don't have a crystal ball, though wouldn't that be something, I can share some thoughts. The stock market, despite its ups and downs, is likely to remain a cornerstone of investing. Companies will continue to innovate, economies will grow, hopefully, and investors will seek to own a piece of that growth through stocks. As for crypto, the jury's still out. Will it revolutionize finance or fade into obscurity? My gut tells me it's here to stay, but in what form, who knows? Regulation is coming, which could bring more stability, and maybe even legitimacy, to the market. One thing's for sure, the investment landscape is constantly evolving. Section 9. Conclusion, choosing your investment path. Listen up, investors. The choice between stocks and crypto is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer, only what's right for you. Stocks offer a more established route, with a history of growth and a degree of regulatory oversight. Cryptocurrency, while riskier, presents a world of potential disruption and innovation. Before you jump in, do your homework. Understand the risks involved, consider your investment goals, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions and staying the course, even when the market gets bumpy. Now go out there and make some money.